Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to reset your Windows PC without deleting your personal files. Just follow these steps carefully. First, click on the start menu and open settings by clicking the gear icon. Now from the left sidebar, select system. Now scroll down and click on recovery. Under the reset this PC section, click on the reset PC button. Now ensure your laptop or PC is connected to power because this process can take a while. A blue screen will appear with two options. Make sure you select keep my files. Do not select remove everything or all your data will be permanently deleted. Now you will be asked how you want to reinstall Windows. First one is cloud download. It downloads fresh Windows files from Microsoft. It's best if your system is very buggy or corrupted. And the second one is local reinstall. It uses existing files from your laptop or computer. Now choose the option that suits you best. Now click next. You may see an option called view apps that will be removed. Click it if you want to see which apps you will need to reinstall later. When you are ready, click on reset. Your PC will restart and this process may take 30 minutes or 1 hour, so be patient. And that's it. Your Windows will be refreshed without deleting your personal files. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.